Well. So you know, think of Dream Team One Team, Dream Team One Team. So today, I must say thank you all for watching. Remember, put the thumbs up. That's what counts as well. So everyone put the thumbs up. If they haven't subscribed, subscribe. So I want to say best of luck to all. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Well, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. This is your boy Kino speaking. You know, if you're first time watching, thank you so much for subscribe. You know, once you're watching, if you put the thumbs up, I thank you so much as well to put in the thumbs up. You know, okay, how it goes. So thank you all so much for watching. So here today, I'm back in Hellshire Beach. You know, I'm back over by Hellshire Beach. As you can see, the beach is beautiful today. Sun shining bright. You know, Hellshire Beach is known for its festive food. You know, the best fried fish where you can find in Jamaica. You know, and a nice beach where you can come. Roast man, Trench Town nights.
Your blessings, higher. Rastafari.
I go and juggle the roast.
Yeah, man, some product there.
See there, man. All the way from Trench Town.
See you way, blessings.
Do over here, juggle.
Sex marathon, ganja wine, me have. See ya.
So, sex marathon.
Sex marathon.
And
Sex marathon.
That one, yeah.
Ganja wine, yes. I have the moringa roots.
And every day, man,
yeah,
to
man.
the world, international, man. You're all the way in an international chef. Be a man cooking it. So it was international. No woman not make with the food.
Sure.
Be a man cook and share and serve. Up and running. Give thanks to the world.
I thank a viewer watch the program. I watch my program.
I see this.
And see that.
Jesus Christ.
The
The glad
names,
for it, brother.
the names Scally, Megaplow, and Zeke. So more you thank them.
Thank you,
Scally,
Kelly,
Megaplow,
Megapo,
and Zeke.
and Zeke. God bless you now. And God will bless you no more. For help Daddy Irie. God, tears in my eyes. God, me I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Long thank you, brother. Very emotional, no, brother. Tell you.
team, Dream Team 1 team. So today, I must say thank you all for watching. Remember, put the thumbs up. That's what counts as well. So everyone put the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribe. So I want to say best of luck to all. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Well, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. This is your boy Kino speaking. You know, if you're first time watching, thank you so much for subscribe. You know, once you're watching, if you put the thumbs up, I thank you so much as well to put in the thumbs up. You know, okay, how it goes. So thank you all so much for watching. So here today, I'm back in Hellshire Beach. You know, I'm back over by Hellshire Beach. As you can see, the beach is beautiful today. Sun shining bright. You know, Hellshire Beach is known for its festive food. You know, and the best fried fish where you can find in Jamaica. You know, and a nice beach where you can come and chill and spend a lovely day. So I'm here today because I've got a gift, as you see in the previous video. For I think most of you probably see the video with Daddy Irie. You know, Daddy Irie who was singing on the beach, and then at one point he was making a tripod from a tin cover, like a sachet's tin cover. He was trying to make a tripod where he could mount his phone, because he said he wanted to start his YouTube as well too. So I haven't been over here in the longest while, so I don't know how that went, you know, how it went now. So I'm going to check on him because we have a tripod here for him from Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke, you know, from the USA. Watch it and really see that he was needed of a tripod, you know. So we thank Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke for this tripod for Daddy Irie. So hopefully it's there, you know, but we're gonna walk there and check and see if it's there, you know. So you know that man sometimes, as we said in the last video, say yes, him go bush and all these little things. So hopefully he's at home, you know, so we can go and check him and give him his tripod, you know, where he can start his YouTube. So hopefully him start it already. So if him start already, then we'll post the link in the description so we can go and give him some support, you know, give him some subscribers. So keep our finger crossed and hopefully him started already. So I want to thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, the thing go, you know, we're looking to grow each and every day. So as I can say, we'll continue to do the good work same here. We're looking out for the less fortunate, you know, and the people them that's really in need. So we'll continue spreading the love across Jamaica and across the world, you know, because love is the only solution and love conquers all, you know, and love it is. So we're here today. I used to be at Hellshire Beach, wonderful beach. The sun is nice and bright today. The water is lovely and clean, as you can see. We're going to a closer preview what the water is looking like. Woo, smelling so fresh, azure. You know, so fresh. The sun is shining bright. You know, it's really early now here in Hellshire. So I'm walking along the beach, you know, it goes already. So I'm gonna check on Daddy Irie, you know. So hopefully Daddy Irie is there, you know, hopefully he's there so we can give him his tripod. So you know, over here you got a place where you can sit, have your fish, relax and have a lovely day. That's how it is here, you know, that's how it is. And the beach is here, you know. It's during the week, so you know, during the week people busy at work, no one is really out, but the beach is there begging for someone to come swim, you know, but no one is there to swim today. Most people is at work. So as I say, we're here, you know. Hopefully we're gonna see Daddy Irie, so he can get his tripod, you know, from Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke. So that's who we're heading to right now to see Daddy Irie, you know. But there's one or two people here see him over, probably them not fancy the swimming as well. So you know, Hellshire is known for its food, the fried fish, the festival and the bami. So you need to come over here and check out Hellshire, you know, check out the lovely food, the fried fish, you know, the ambience of listening to the wonderful beach right now. As I can see, you know, you have the iglas them that are always here hustling thing. Hustling mentality, see always a hustling and a bustle. So you know, you have more than one place where you can go and purchase and buy stuff. That's how it goes. Yeah. The last time I was here with you. It's the last place I was here.
Me and Wally.
Okay, my Wally.
Yeah, man, they may not see with the
See
company.
on YouTube.
Yeah, we see, man.
Oh, the
Yeah, man, I'm a brother. Me call me, I say, see me.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah, man, our customers come over there and tell me, say, see me on the thing too.
Yeah, man,
No
because we tell
people
them
see
so
it.
when them come here, they must come here, so you know.
Yeah, man, you know, no people get the views, man.
Yeah, man. But you sign, you want to break me sign a little bit.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Yeah, man, because enough of them that ask me, so we have to direct them, because them say they never see the sign. Yeah.
Listen, you can't take it over me, it's brighter.
No, because last time I do it same like this, them nah pick up. You see me? Yeah. So this is the spot where them see me and D Mwanga was eating, you know, so the Rasta man here. Last time I was in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I make it work.
Yeah, man, the Rasta chef, man. Same thing, man. Rogo, the Rasta chef, man. Said the Hellshire Beach. One go, man. Fish, lobster, crab, conch, everything where it's a seafood. One go, man. At that time, man. The best and the best, man. So right there, sir. The festival, Bami and Planted.
Well, and it bad, so
bad, man. Steam, fry, roast, bronze stew, anything.
Yeah.
And the seafood, up and running, pan it.
Yeah, man.
Yes, bless up the world. Yeah. I know, sir. Rogo, the chef. Yeah, man. Up and running, man. Give thanks to man.
That is it.
Yeah.
You know, whenever them see the face and them
Yeah, you know, sir.
see there.
Every day.
You can't miss it.
Yeah,
so tell them the name of the place where they.
Cub Rise. Yeah.
Can't miss.
Man. Show them the pole. Right in front of the pole.
Oh, right in front of the pole.
Yeah, see the pole there? Right in front of the pole. Can't miss.
Once you come in, just look right in front of you.
Yeah, I look across. Yeah, you see the stung on that tree. Same place you see the
tree, yeah.
Yeah, every day, sir. Every day. 7 days a week, days I see them.
Fresh
fish. Work for chef, man.
Yeah, no,
yeah, man. Never chef.
Chef as well, too.
Yeah, man.
Only for big chef, you know.
Work for top chef.
Seafood, all inclusive, you know what I say? Seafood, boil and everything. Yeah, crab, conch, lobster, deep fry, butter sauce and garlic. That's how you can get it, you get me? Yeah, you come curry, garlic up same way, brown stew down, anyhow you want your come. Get it right here, cobra, you get me?
Ready, fresh as well.
Anytime.
Nothing no stay, everything.
Whole heap of good chef there right here, say best of the best there right here, come get it right at cobra, I swear to you. When you come right here, say you have no doubt. You get proper service, you get me?
No
the food sort out right, properly, you get me I say? Yeah, proper taste. You know, big name now go nowhere. A proper taste and flavor and everything. You get what I say? People might have the big name out there more than us, but when you come right here, so I swear, authentic food you get, you know, every time you come here, a cobra you come.
Of course.
All of you, them when you come here and see, chef, best, I swear, I have no doubt on that. You get me? Yeah.
Because I not lie, because when I come here and I eat the fish, I tell you, say, and especially the festival, really lovely. Me and we really enjoy it, you know, everything that's fresh and nice. You know, we will fall in love with the festival, you know. But everybody make it different in it, but as them say, everybody will think different. But some place have a special thing, but spikes up the taste bud. Make you feel like, yo, the taste buds start going be things, you know.
Authenticness, you know what I say?
Like
real original,
like.
original way. I say best of the best, I tell my brother, man, no doubt. When you come here, you have to enjoy yourself, and we have a proper beachfront facility where you can come sit, relax, enjoy on the day till you're ready for your order. We have a sports bar where you can get a drink and everything.
So show them. Show them inside again, so they can see them sports bar, beachfront. This is the bar, yeah, so.
All I everything I feel like, wow, you can't get when you come here, we have it right here, so. All I flavors I want to think of, we have it right here. From Hennessy come down and big, even more than Hennessy. Jack Daniels, everything.
You name it. All the overseas drink is here.
We have a beachfront, people you can come sit.
Yeah.
Enjoy them beer.
Yeah. And we relax right in front of the beach, eating fish, music, I play a sports bar, eat on our
take on pictures, you know what I say?
Yeah. Lovely, man. I'm still have customers as early as it is. We still have customers. We walk past some place and man a customer yet. So that means there's something about it. So.
Blessings, man.
Yeah, blessings, man. I can't tell you, see me. You know. People are moving through. That is it. Customer here bright and early. Fresh.
Fresh idea. Believe. Fresh idea. When you come, for all I person already know about fish, check on the eye them, know to get on a fresh fish.
Oh, so the eye tell you how fresh it is?
Yeah, the eye can tell you, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the eye them is looking well bright, like them still out here.
Alright, so first thing to do. On the next fish dog.
Yeah, man, I will give thanks, man. Big up yourself,
Blessings, man. Give thanks, my brother, man.
The kitchen there.
Yeah.
In this the kitchen.
So everything done go on already in here, so you see the big pot, the fire and everything. So nothing no go on. Everything fire already and cook already. So
Yeah, that's how we do it. The festival part of the festival. Yeah, that I do we use a festival. Yeah. Up and running.
That is it.
That is
Look at
it.
the eye name again.
Rogo the big chef.
Yeah.
Hellshire Beach. Every day. 7 days a week I have with there. In the kitchen. Cooking nice food with people. Them see them customer just go and tell me say she not stop come.
Can't
Good
stop
night.
come.
They can't stop come.
Stop.
Yeah, me might keep peace about you, she move so fast.
Yes.
But we there, man, every day, man.
Yeah,
To the
man.
world, international, man. You're all the way in a international chef. Be a man cooking it. Say no, it's international. No woman no mingle with the food.
Sure.
Be a man cook and share and serve. Up and running. Give thanks to the world, man. Bless me, brother.
Yeah, man. So big up my general, everything though.
Every time,
Yeah, man,
all
thank you,
follow.
yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, we give thanks to Corby's. So, as we say, when you come here and you can check them out, see me, in the right in front of the pool, see me. Say, no, me have Daddy Irie tripod, so, me go walk and check and see if we see Daddy Irie right now. Yeah, Daddy Irie, same just started YouTube channel, so hopefully he's down there, so, we can get to the tripod here. We'll give thanks to Skelly, Mega Plow and ZP, Blessed Rasta man.
I the one.
Blessed Calabash. Azure.
I have some more for you now.
How we do to them one day?
So them come out of the sea now.
You know, polish them now nothing?
No.
I saw them one day look.
Yeah, they call them the queen shell,
Queen shell.
Only for allowance we get with them, already, On the YouTube already too. But that can't too much,
Can't too much. Can't too. I don't want to see it closer. I say hold it. Let me see it closer.
Yeah, you can't come on and come.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so and now you polish it now, not call it queen shell. The first time I see one like this. This is the first time I'm seeing one like this. And I queen shell this, I say. Most righteous. So far you can tell them exactly where their location. Okay,
yeah, man, I Hellshire there.
So you know they're not. As you can see them here, but they are so and everything. Calabash. And it's not far away from the pole. Once you come in and you see the pole, you can find him down here. See me.
Name of the star, yeah.
Fire Lion.
Fire Lion, the original name of fire, but you can't take the picture out from the outside. Name of the star.
Okay. Natural craft. Hilton, natural handmade. Fire Lion. Souvenir. So if you're willing to come here and get some souvenir, you can check out Fire Lion. Fire Lion. Big up, big up every time, yeah? Every time. Daddy Irie? Daddy Irie? Okay, I know what I go check. Because somebody sent something for him, Yeah, to help him out with him thing, and so I make go check out.
You one calabash for me that you can.
How much for calabash? Okay. Anyone? Pick one for me then.
Could have sell it two and get one free now.
Would you give me $2 for $1,000?
Oh, $1,000 one, but could have get one for it. It's a nice one, it's very tough.
Alright.
East End.
Alright, then this is. See there. It's a 1,000. Oh, right.
Now everybody on the beach, I'm going to love now.
Alright, see there. Boss.
Yeah, I'm on the like. The other one upon it too.
Alright, we give thanks and thank you so much.
Yeah, I have good mind like.
Yeah.
Talk to you, still have money with me. So, I'm gonna do them things for many years, same way, you know.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I give away almost more than myself.
You know, sometimes in life when you give, you shall receive, see me, you know, because that's how the world is.
That's why I have to give, you know.
Yes, and I appreciate it, you know.
Yeah,
so I'm going to use one for eat my food and one for drink my soup. And both of them can be the same, right?
Right, you are. So you can't even give all a little individually, a little eat out there, some, you know, one when you come about, you know.
Fire Lion. So the I name Fire Lion.
I name Joseph otherwise.
Joseph. Yeah, man. Give thanks, man, and thank you so much for this. Yeah.
Take the name of the star.
Yeah, I just catch the while ago.
Hilltone Craft, you know.
Yes, Hilltone Craft. So anything of people.
See a nice, see a nice. So when you sign up on a board there, go on the craft.
When I front there, so. Hilltone Craft. One love. That is it. Buy something, please. Thank you. Hilltone Craft. So see that blessing, you know.
Yeah.
So grateful we could have give you a support, you know. I'm thankful start off the man, you know, as bright as it be.
Yeah,
you know, more blessings coming
your
your
way. You know, by bringing up and I go up and I do that, never.
So that means you're not going to stop get love in return, because that is it. That is the way. Love is the only solution, and it alone can conquer all.
Directly.
Pick up yourself. Fire Lion.
Yeah.
Bless you, love.
King.
Alright, so we grab a calabash from Fire Lion. You know, you buy one. And give me one free as well too. So you see, sometimes it's still a blessing when you give. You know, when you give, you shall return. So me use them things as well too, you know. Some of them I use my calabash when I'm ready. So this is one of them I know never use. You know, so thank them so much. And everything, Fire Lion. So they are go check Daddy Irie. You know, hopefully it's there.
I have them one for $3. Yeah. I have some nice necklace too. I don't know if you want a necklace, them I told you.
Choose something I can try to get support from one of them.
Real people, man.
So we try to support each other no matter anywhere we can. Understand?
A true teacher, I'm going to show you so we can't too lazy in them time. We have to active. Can't say nothing now go on. We have to make it go on. You see me?
Yes.
Yes, I.
If I see you try, you know, man, give you our support.
And we have youth a yard, you know. You know what going on with teacher, them I go on sit there.
So that one your choice?
Yeah, man, I like that one there. That one there have an energy because with the tiger eye beat them. You see me, I say with the black pearl them. Yeah. I like that one there with the little rasta colour and I mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know the colour them have meaning. The green are for land, the yellow for sun, and the red are for blood eye people them, you understand? Straight.
And what can I be this?
Yeah man, them have the black pearl them, you see me I say some natural wouldn't be them well painted. You see me I say and varnish up, can bathe in them and swim in them. Full works.
Full works.
Yeah man, Hellshire Beach, Hellshire me there. You want to find the beat man, Ras Leo. Yeah man.
Ras Leo.
AKA Rasta Reasonable, you understand?
Lion. So
Lion.
Ras Leo.
Yes,
Lion.
teacher.
What July you born to?
Teacher, December I'm born, you know.
December, okay.
Yeah. But you know, so anyway you go them give your name.
True,
you understand?
true. That is it.
That is it, my teacher.
Yeah,
Give thanks in a teacher. Blessing in a man.
Blessings,
yes
blessings.
man, and keep up the work same way, cause you know we not let it go down.
No, first continue on the show,
Yes,
you see me, because you know, to the juggling.
To love one. To the world, you know. Blessings and honor.
Yes, I.
Glory and power, you see it, my
Kids have to
family.
feed me, so you do the right thing and not do the wrong thing.
Yes, teacher man, we ask them we could have do anything else, but we have to do the right thing, though. Yeah.
Because you know, so you have your youth, you have to see your daddy have to do the right thing.
Yeah, man.
If him grew up and see you have to do the wrong thing, I'm going to feel like, so, oh, daddy have to do something, so I should do the same thing too.
Anything them say do right, them I go do, you know.
Yes.
A real talk, my teacher, man. So I have to
I'm
keep
follow
it.
your footsteps.
What? I drill him, man, and teach him, man. I tell him, man. Trust me, man. If you meet him now, you're going to love him, man. Nice to be you too, man. You see me? Real,
Righteousness,
man.
instructions for teaching the way they can't go wrong.
Well, some man, I want me to come better than me and richer than me, man. I don't want him to feel suckle like me, brother. You see me? Yeah, so I have to try to set him. You know, what me miss, I try to make sure that him get that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my teacher, man.
Good parenting, because that's all it needs sometimes, you know, because sometimes when you see the youth them get out because the parenting is bad.
True, my lad.
So
I always say that.
It's good parenting, it go a long way. It's a big bonus, it's a big plus, you know, for parenting, for them part growing the youth. But when you leave them loose and them do what they want for the way they pay attention, you know what's gonna happen. You understand?
Man. Children really live what them learn, man. So you see, if we are the children, them are the generation of Viper, and we are the parents of the Viper, them, you know. So you see, we enough for we not there for teach for you them. We left them for the school and society and the system, but
to grow them.
I don't know for our fault, you know, because we have to work. I just saw the system set. But if you can find the time for do for your youth and grow them the right way, you notice them always grow and grow different and come out successful.
True.
Yeah, man. True. You understand? So it really pays for do for them. Especially a boy picking him after you have a father figure.
True. Always.
You understand?
And I like what you did there, you know, where you say make sense because a lot of people are resonating what you said, you see me?
Yes.
That make sense to them because that's what needed, you know, parenting go a long way because me as a youth, a good parenting why me is what me is and what me do what I do.
Yeah, yes,
so
sir.
maybe if me I get bad parenting, me I probably have to do the wrong thing.
Yes, sir.
You see me? Because the community where you come from, you're going to stem from it, you're going to feel like so you have to prove a point.
True.
You see me? Because sometimes your environment that kind of push you to do certain things.
Yeah,
as well
true,
to when the friends them when you're there around.
Yeah. You know you want to fit in.
And you want to fit in. You don't want to feel like say your ads. You understand? So it's always parent that look out.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. So you grow them that way, them going to say, boy, you know, say, but my father and my mother now going to feel proud that I do this stuff. Them going to say, you know, say, John, I can't do this, my friend, because, you know. And even if them straight, them have to come back at that foundation, did it? Balance them, so I would them grow, you know, man. I will say I will grow them. But the foundation there, nah left them.
Nah left them. Yeah, man.
Nah left them.
Righteousness, man. You see me? Fire, man, let's continue to do it same way, man.
Seal up in a teacher.
Yeah, man. See them, man.
Strength to strength, yeah.
Fire, Leo.
Yes, man.
And that is it.
Honorable, yeah.
Alright, then, so. Daddy Irie. Daddy Irie that? Yeah. Daddy Irie? Yeah. Where go on? So we just woke up Daddy Irie, but the sun a beat. Eh? Oh. That dash everything. Actually the phone a ring. Daddy Irie.
Yes, man, I mean, man.
Oh, go on, come out of the sun there.
I know me can't get the sitting to fix, you know, brother. I don't know what to do, you know.
Yeah.
Me can't put out the sitting. No, yeah. You know what time I call you?
Yeah.
8121768. You know, 3 about 5 times I call you, you know, to tell you what.
I know my number is 793.
Me have it, man. Can me see you on the, me see you
on the YouTube.
YouTube, man. Me take off the number.
It's the wrong number you call, man. Because I don't get no miss call, man.
I want to put out the thing, you know, brother.
So YouTube is set up?
Nigel should do it to me, and one time he come on the internet thing gone.
Are your internet at work now?
And you have internet over next door there, cause
oh.
You don't know.
So you have the video up on your phone?
Yeah, man. I mean, I have my laptop there. The girl in that try to do something for me. Put out a little piece, but the picture ping, if you put in the picture sitting, I don't know if you can look on the laptop and see if you can.
Alright, you see.
Maybe I'm fed up. But no, because I will want to sit and go to no car. The people are going to give me a good thing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Daddy Irie, so we have Daddy Irie and I place big up yourself to the world.
If you sit down, tell me about
near. You go back on the other side or so?
No, you don't get the internet there, so.
Oh.
So I pick you up better there, so.
So your phone, the register already? You the register?
I don't know. Look, the girl in that do something to me, so look in at it. But up here run around, she give me too, because I just a picture of it. We make a little round something like that.
Thumbnail.
Yeah.
Oh.
No. I will put
Alright, people, so see there you have Daddy Irie on the beach.
you see it?
Yeah. Daddy Irie on the beach.
Can't sit down right, that's the man. You let your clothes down, look you up.
Yeah. No, I'm a soldier, man. So just look now, see there, Daddy Irie on the beach.
Yeah, I just a little sit more on the bottom there. That one like this.
Yeah.
But this is where my man they put out to me when Nigel, Nigel.
Nigel.
I
So you have 62 subscribers.
I know
already.
a film sitting in the pan on my own.
Are you on this?
Am I one?
Yes.
Where you mango?
Oh man, oh yeah, the one we and D Mango.
Yeah, but I put out that man film channel I sitting there. Put out that video for myself.
See, Daddy Irie YouTube channel on the
But
beach.
me see that man film program.
Yeah, no, cause a different thing that. Him put you
Well,
up,
well,
see
well,
that? It's up on fit him thing too.
So we are going to name it Daddy
Alright.
Irie.
Yeah.
Daddy Irie on the beach.
So see there, so you're on Yaman dad.
On the beach. So we are going to
Yeah man TV,
Yeah.
family TV. So it gone on my channel, you know?
Yeah, that's on your
So
channel.
when I want to know, a year and D, I want to set up a thing.
Yeah, so like we're on this now. Yeah, you have to just show you now how to upload pan it.
I don't know
Yeah.
nothing about you know, God, I don't know
Yeah,
nothing.
so we have to go download something for you. So this is your channel.
Subscribe.
Yeah, so this is Daddy Irie on the beach. People so see it's Daddy Irie on YouTube. So it's called Daddy Irie on the beach. That's his YouTube channel name. So I'm gonna put the link in my description when you can go and give him some subscribers. You know. So Daddy Irie, what my calabash?
Yes man, good man. I'm glad to see you know, God no.
Yeah man, so you see a long time this up you know, Daddy Irie. So you have the page already.
Yeah.
Yes, you have the page. So you see the Daddy Irie on the beach.
I and D, I want to set up an open me, you know man.
Eh?
I'm ready to know, you know man.
Yeah man, couldn't do the right thing and try to help you out now. So this is in Daddy Irie YouTube channel, Daddy Irie on the beach. So we have to just show you now how to upload your video then when time you're ready.
I don't know what
Alright.
I want to do. Because I have to make a punch for people. Me
Yeah,
understand me?
yeah.
So we send it on the laptop and then sitting there.
And if you have it on the phone, you can do it on the phone too.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have this on the phone, you know, so you have to download the YouTube studio for you as well too. You know, so I have to show you how to do it. Right, so Daddy Irie, so I'm gonna show you how to do it, right? So at the meantime, it's already set. So I'm gonna show you how to upload next.
Okay.
You know, and you're gone to the world. So you get no tripod if you put the phone pan.
And well, I'm sure.
Bring come in the dark. So back here with Daddy Irie with the Panda Beach. Panda Beach. What go on? Say hello. Say hello. So people look at this. So Daddy Irie creating tripod.
Yeah, see that then.
So this is it now.
Put in the phone in night and you saw it work.
So that's Daddy Irie creating tripod.
Yeah. Put this on.
And you're well. Hey.
I am this.
Daddy Irie creative tripod. I like how you creative pan helping yourself. Hey, I rate you still about here.
Man.
You see this, you're not gonna need this again. You know why?
Yeah.
You know why?
Yeah.
You want me to tell you why? You can't guess why, guess why?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Give me an idea now.
So if I say you're not gonna need this again, how why?
If you give me one.
Hey. So see it there?
Am I one that?
Yes, I.
But me don't know if you thank you, you know, brother.
You're not gonna thank me, I gotta thank a viewer watch the program, I watch my program.
I see this.
And see that.
Jesus Christ,
the
I'm glad
names-
for it, brother.
The names Cali, Megaplow and Zeke. So more you thank them.
Thank you,
Scally,
Kelly,
Megaplow
Megapo,
and Zeke.
and Zeke. God bless you now. And God will bless you no more. For help Daddy Irie. God, tears in my eyes. God, me I tell you, man. Lang time ko no, brother. Very emotional, no, brother. Tell you. God Almighty. No. Me di aso. Not a lie and tell for me. No, me not guilty. I know none of them. But me talk to God. Just
What's strong, daddy?
Ain't no people have me up. Just choose it. One woman tell lie for me, say me a thief in light, you know. After then thief half the 7 for the laugh for me shop top. See, man, pang beach I do it. But me don't direct no how. See, I'm not telling you.
What's strong, okay.
God Almighty, God know me I feel. Sometimes I feel like when I commit suicide, God Almighty know.
No, none of that.
What the God have my birthday? 73. I'm 73 years old, I know. God Almighty, I know, say. I never harm nobody, I never thief nobody. I have 50 years almost, you know. I have a woodland. Like so. Come I go see one of the trees, somebody, via Jack, I am busy. I see nobody else. That land there weird, so. Well, land what that's all. I see the gun and all that. Then judge the place up there. They make the big ship them coming and pull up on the reef now. So the water come over the reef now and mash up the beach. That's how I go. I tell Nepa them about it. I tell them. So go, man.
Well strong. You just go on well strong seeing you, man.
I feel it hard, yeah, so. Hard.
So all the hustle go, you maintain?
I look at firewood, me looking at us, and girl, let me sell 6 bungalow a week. And that me I live off. Sometimes I save $1,000. I really, me can't really name out everything. I have to save about $1,000 a week. Then,
so me I get $2,000.
I'm glad for it, man. God bless you more, my brother. More than glad for you, but I don't want you to set up a mango sitting for me and you know, we can't send you out or post it to me or I don't know. I want to go over there so can't set up the channel, but you want
the channel already set up, you know. So I just will show you how to upload it now.
Okay.
The channel already set up.
Well, me has only go sit and I don't know.
So the person who set it up, right? Who set it up for you?
A little girl over there.
Okay, so she have the password and the email.
I don't know if
Yeah, she have it because she set it up. So as you say, you can know whenever if you want to sign into it, you can sign in. But I'm going to show you how you can upload it from your phone. Since you always video from your phone.
Yeah.
You know, so it can go straight to your YouTube. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, so if you download a thing called YouTube Studio for you as well too, you know? So,
I'm glad for you.
Yeah, so I forgot to show you.
So you will set it on my phone now?
I put it on the phone.
And I can look and pay.
See what I go on.
I know if you do what I do.
Yeah, so all you gotta do is upload with it.
Okay, thanks.
You know, you can help out.
Glad for it, man.
Yeah, so
yeah,
take up your tripod. What need?
I know if you set it on. If I see it on the box, I know directly how. Yeah, man. You just put your phone in there.
Your phone in there.
But tap it so long way.
Look, so you put your phone in it here.
Oh, cross here. Oh, yeah.
Put it in it.
What I wanna. That's one I know.
No, souvenir. Put it in the same way. You can pull it up, you know. It stretch.
Okay.
Put it in, and it stretch.
Hold on.
No, look. See this? In a so. You see? So once I put it in, press the turn it so.
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay. Let me set me up. Let me get out of here now.
So I forget to know it.
Now we turn this up so now.
Alright. Yeah, and then pull it up. Alright. So, the phone, the right way you put it in the phone?
Yeah, man. See, it's up more,
Yeah. So you can straighten it where you want it and use this here so to tighten it.
Me know.
So you tighten
Yeah, man.
where you want it tighten and you can extend it. Extend this as well, and this is a stand too. This is a stand.
Oh, it's a stand. Yeah, okay.
Isn't it? And you can push up the head more as well too.
What's what so me I reckon.
Yeah.
Glad for it, brother.
See there, that the Irie.
Yeah. Bless the people them we send it to
Scally.
you. Gally.
Scally. Mega Plow. And Zeke.
And Zeke. God bless you, my brother and sister. Yeah, man. God will open way for you now, that you can help somebody else. And open way for me that me can help. Because I like help too, but I don't have you to help. I want to have something to can help somebody too. Yeah, man. And God will bless everybody who try to help me.
True.
Who see me on YouTube and subscribe to me and leave a comment for me, God will bless me also. It not cost nothing if you subscribe and make a comment. It not cost $1.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad for you.
Where your laptop where you use there?
In my house.
What feet me see? Yeah, you can Scally, Mega Plow and Zeke, we thank you so much, you know, for Daddy Irie tripod. You know, it's a blessing as I can say. I'm really grateful and I'm got really emotional, you know, when receiving it. So it's really a blessing, you know, thank you so much for reaching out.
Emotional problem with me all the while.
Okay.
Make me mad to sitting with people.
A laptop here. Yeah. Hey, this a long time on this.
Yeah.
Open this.
Oh, wow. My brother, I did for my laptop they get leaked still. But that one I know. I go wipe off.
See, you use this?
Yeah, man, I'm going to watch show up on it. I'm watching internet on it.
Okay.
Oh, my God, this suppose we have clean all this up. Wow.
Alright, so Daddy Irie, what the laptop said, it says YouTube channel for Daddy Irie is set, right? Peeps. It says called Daddy Irie Pan the Beach. So the link will be in the description, right? So we're gonna show him more about it. We have Yaman TV. He's the one that created this for him, you know. So Yaman TV is gonna come show him the email and the password, because he's the one that created, so he have the email and the password for him. Just because the Yaman TV been busy, he not get to come see him. So this is already sorted out and everything. So you can check out Daddy Irie on the beach. So let's get into 1,000 subscribers. Let's help Daddy Irie grow. And now all this, you have your tripod.
Yeah.
You know, so you can go and make some videos.
Yeah.
You know, so we're gonna show you how to upload and everything. We give thanks, you know, for Daddy Irie gonna be a YouTuber. You know, so the sun hot over here.
Yeah,
nah,
man,
like,
bad.
So Daddy Irie,
yeah, man.
all is set.
Yeah,
you
God
know?
bless you all out, no, man. I tell you, no good to me. I may have to bless you, no. God bless you, no, too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
All is set.
No money, but God will help a way for me.
Yeah, man, we make a way for you.
Man.
Hopefully now this can
Trust
grow.
in God, man. Everything good.
And everything good.
Yeah, man.
That's all they need for those. Trust in God. Everything good. So right now you're all set.
Yeah.
You know, so the only thing now is for get some subscribers to subscribe to your channel.
Yeah.
You know, and then you can upload, you know.
Alright.
Everything. So hopefully you can get a different phone, you know, but for the time being you can go and use
Wow,
this.
I'm gonna get
And you can go
as soon as
and you can go and walk the beach and video and talk to the people them and go and DJ. And when you go a bush you can put up your tripod and make it go and look and you go and do your little thing and talk to the people them and interact with them so them can
yeah, me do a little piece but a 9 minutes. That's not too short.
Yes, but it's your start, so you can make them longer. You see, but probably you're gonna need more space on your phone. You know, so that's the problem.
So what me do now, I send out one, me delete, send out and delete,
delete off of your phone so you have more
so
space.
me have more space.
So when time you get a hanger it now, you get a different phone where the different phone have more space and it can last for longer. Right?
Yeah, man.
So you have Daddy
Glad
Irie.
you know God send you come here, man.
Man.
Yes, man. Cause today was me not say why me not go somewhere, me say me not go nowhere. A bush me say me not go in this man. No.
And the energy say not to go.
God work you away.
Yeah, man, that's why I'm working, man.
Yeah, man.
Serious. So that Irie, go and big up yourself, same way.
God bless you.
know,
Yes,
and we
sir.
are catch
I
you
remember,
up.
me have your number, so
Yeah.
you see me call you 812-1768. Put in my
Hold
number.
on,
there.
I'm putting on the phone from now, so so I know. So
I
that
can link on and make you know.
Alright, so 876
812
812
17
1768.
68.
Daddy Irie.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so people, this is Daddy Irie, so go and check him out.
Bless up, man. Bless up. Yeah, man. Everybody who try to help me, God bless you all. You know. I know the world look for me right now. I'm gonna like some help on them. Subscribe when you see me and make a comment. Make me know what me do anything wrong. You can set yourself. Okay.
Alright, then, so blessings to all, blessings to all. Daddy Irie, big up here.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Thanks, here.
Man,
God bless you.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
God up in here for you, you know, man.
Yeah, man, cool, huh?
Yeah, man. I pray for you, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
Alright. Roads, man. Trench Town Nights.
So blessings, Aya. Rastafari.
I go and juggle the roads.
Yeah, man, see my product there.
See there, man. All the way from Trench Town.
See you way,
Do
blessings.
over here, juggle.
Sex marathon, ganja wine, me have. See ya?
Say sex marathon.
Sex marathon,
And-
sex marathon.
That one, yeah.
Ganja wine, yes. And you have the moringa roots. Moringa roots. You have sex marathon again, you have moringa roots, noni juice. Yeah, everything there.
So that one there for the man and for go long distance.
Yes, I will for make a family.
Okay. So
That's the sex marathon. Watch it.
Hey.
Fire.
Yeah.
Blessed eye.
So if them a go to short distance and one go to marathon.
Yeah,
And
marathon.
we come link up the Rasta, man.
Same way.
To get the 6
Marathon,
marathon.
you know.
You see me? We can't bother with it. We call it small miles. No miles. Marathon.
Distance.
Distance. And it's a long distance.
You know, the short time.
Yeah.
You know. I bless you.
Yeah, man.
That's
God
on
bless
the
you.
same way.
Yeah,
A
man.
big dread, you know.
Yeah, man. Cool,
Eyes
man.
is eye.
Sure, so nice.
Blessed love.
Yes, I. So if you don't want the 6 marathon, the man said the marathon, the ganja wine. Yes, sir. Man said the stallion. So if you feel like say you go too short, you want to go longer, you have to come at edge to come check the Rasta man for the 6 marathon. Long distance. You know. If you not feed the body good, come check the Rasta man. Hi. Big up. You have to big up all the time. More strength.
More strength every time.
More life.
Good people, one love, one heart, one harmony. Jah Rastafari.
Every
And
time.
we will love in our heart, and we will go further as a nation. And remember this: divided we fall, united we stand. Jah Rastafari.
That is it. You hear that? Divided we fall and united we stand. It's always the way. Okay, you know, so when you're united, you're more stronger. When you're divided, you're weak.
Nobody,
No energy, no life, nothing at all when you're divided. So when you're strong, when you unite, strong. Manchester united we stand.
every time.
Every time united we stand. That is it, you know. Stay strong, people. So we give thanks. We also link Daddy Irie, you know, and get him tripod. So please check out the link in the description for Daddy Irie, and please I'm going to support him and subscribe to his YouTube channel. You know, support him by subscribing to his YouTube channel. Help him grow, you know, so we can show him how it work along the way. You know, so blessed love to all, blessed love to all. Team there. Hellshire Beach, Rasta man.
Jah Rastafari, Selassie.
Blessed love every time. Alright, so a beautiful beach. Gonna last run on the beach before I leave the beach. You know the thing now, so we go walk the beach and leave the beach, you know.
You don't see it doesn't mean it's not right. It's not.
So sad we have to leave the wonderful beach. Right now me just swim, you see it? Yes, Hellshire Beach. So there on the beach, the beach. know, people there now. The beach is so refreshing. So refreshing. Wonderful. Beach pretty. Pretty. Now like I feel like swim. Feel like to do some swimming. But here still have to go take on the road right now. Yeah, listen. I have to go take on the road. There can't be no swimming today. Even though I take a wash off right now. You know, Hellshire Beach. Very pretty and very nice. So you can come over here for chillax and have a wonderful time at the Hellshire Beach. Right? This is it, Hellshire Beach. And you can come over here and check it out. And when you pass by, you can go and check and ask for Daddy Irie. You know, give him a bless up, see him here. When you pass through, you know, big up Daddy Irie, see him here on the beach, Hellshire Beach, you know. So you have the man with the fresh fish over there, so you just catch. I got scale and everything, I know. Whew! Manners.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.